Hello, in this video I would like to show how to create a cool looking NSIS installer with custom design using Graphical Installer. Graphical Installer is NSIS extension, so you need to install it first. It's located in NSIS / Graphical Installer folder. Now let's start. Launch the Graphical Installer wizard. This wizard allows you to create a new installer or to convert an existing script file. Let's choose create new script file, and there are many options for your installer, so let's use the default ones. This is required. Choose readme file, for example this one. These files, we can delete them. Let's everything be default. And this page contains graphic settings, which is the design of the future installer. There are many options. The most important one is the background picture, and let's choose some predefined one. For example, this red. Okay, and the buttons picture. There are many buttons already pre-created, so choose this one red, and choose the other aspects of the installer like text colors, header colors, button text colors, and everything. So choose some random colors. These are really crazy, but it's okay. Focus green, yellow, this pink. Okay, click next and finish. Now let's save our new script. Example for my first installer. Okay, and the script was created successfully. We can close the wizard, and this is the script file. I don't have any editor for this, so it's open in the notepad. You can close it and navigate to the location, examples, my first installer and graphics. The graphics file is contains the design of the installer, where the colors, the pictures and everything is defined. Now let's compile the installer. Compile NSIS script, and we can test it. And here we go. This is our cool looking installer with custom design. This is the readme file, components. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.